Hey everyone, it's Monday, April 22nd. This is Liam McMahon. This is part 2 of the weekend moving average video. I know it's no longer the weekend and it's Monday, but I still am going to call it the weekend moving average video. I did promise you guys a part 2 where I look at a specific pair. The pair I'm choosing to look at this week today is dollar Swiss. So I'm going to run through a couple time frames on dollar Swiss, let you know what I'm looking at. We'll kind of go from there. So please take a moment. Pause the recording and read the risk disclaimer, which is now on your screen, then we'll get started. Okay, so let's click out to the daily chart. I'm not a big dollar Swiss fan. I'm not a big fan of the Swissy pairs in general, really since the S&B put in the floor on Euro Swiss. I found them somewhat irritating to trade. However, there are some very interesting moving average developments and potential here on dollar Swiss, so I'm going to take a look at it. Where we are on the daily chart, you can see that from the rally from the 90.21 lows to the 95.66 highs. We traded down. We did slightly dip below the 618% fib, but for the most part, we held the 618% fib, and we've started to begin to march higher. So for me, that puts us in a bullish frame of mind, as we held a significant fib level from a retracement, and now we've begun to sort of climb higher. We are challenging a significant area of moving average resistance. We have the 200, 100, and 50 period EMAs here on the daily chart. So 200, 100, 50-day EMAs all clustered in this area right around market, 93.40 to 93.50 or so. And we're pressing into those now. You can see that in the past, these moving averages have been relatively significant. You can see that one of them capped it here and here. We had some resistance provided here by the 200-day EMA. So there has been, they are very important moving averages. Not surprising they've been significant in the past, and I'm hoping that if we can break above them, they may provide significant support in the future. So let's drop down to the 4-hour chart. You can see we've also encountering a significant amount of 4-hour moving average resistance. These dotted lines are the 50, 100, and 200 period EMAs here on the 4-hour chart. So we cleared the 50 EMA on the 4-hour chart. We're pressing into the 100 EMA, and we still have the 200 to go. The 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart is our highest resistance level. That's currently trading at 93.64. So 22 pips above market. And that is sort of the last gasp defense for bears from a moving average perspective. So we had this nice, strong, impulsive rally higher, a period of consolidation, and now we've started to break higher again. We are encountering a little bit of this moving average resistance. The price is so far respecting it, not surprising. But I'm looking at the potential for an inverse head and shoulders pattern here on the 30-minute chart, where it becomes fairly clear. We are above this neckline. It's not the world's cleanest neckline, but we have broken higher, and I am hoping and expecting the pair to consolidate a little bit above this neckline and eventually begin to break these key daily moving averages. So this is the 200 period EMA. You can see we're trading basically right at it right now. We're actually a few pips above it, and we're trading right at this 100 EMA, 100-day EMA, and we have the 50-day just ahead of it. So we are still in a bullish configuration from a moving average perspective. 50, 100, 200 in that order, top to bottom, is bullish, and we do have the potential for some crossovers here on the 4-hour chart. If we can get this 50-period EMA to start pushing above its 100 and 200 counterparts, we will get some nice crossover potential as well. So that's what I'm looking for on dollar Swiss. The pair to sort of consolidate above this neckline and then finally start to break above these moving average resistances, hopefully dragging the 4-hour moving averages into a bullish configuration. You can see the 30-minute EMAs right here, 50, 100, 200, are in a bullish configuration. We did have the crossovers, and now it looks like price is going to try and follow through with the promise that the moving average crossovers and bullish configuration are presenting. So that's what I see for dollar Swiss. We have a bullish daily configuration of moving averages. We have a bullish 30-minute configuration of moving averages. We have the potential of an inverse head and shoulders. And we're looking to get some bullish crossovers here on the 4-hour chart moving averages. If we can begin to do so, we should see the pair accelerate through these daily moving averages and perhaps continue on higher, eventually clearing these 95.50 highs for a move back towards 98. So that's what I'm watching on dollar Swiss. I hope that's helpful. And we'll see what this week brings. Good luck trading, and as always, if you have any questions, come see us at globalfxclub.com. We'll be happy to talk to you there. Enjoy your week, everyone.